That's like now.
Ano yun?
Iba.
Iba ba?
Oo, iba. Iba partner eh. It's like alip eh.
Tama ko ba yun?
Mali daw. Tama
Hindi
yung
daw
mali.
eh.
Tama daw.
Ha?
Mali daw, sabi ng bata. Tama naman eh.
Paano mo nasasabi na mali? Ha? Alam mo ba yung kanta na yon?
Hindi.
Opa.
Asawa ni?
Sa Opa. Opa. Ayan, dali natin. Palakpakan naman siya na. Dito na tayo. Anong natuloy ako eh. Ito na. She's gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was wrong too. I can live without her love in my life. There's this an empty space. Oh, my dreams are lost, wasting away. Forgive me, would you save me? My heart belongs to you. Can you forgive me? I'm turning to paano ngayon wala ka na? Ay, hindi ka pala. Nagsakay naman to eh.
Parang iba eh. Parang iba partner yun eh.
Iba ba?
Kay Dulce yun eh. Dulce yun.
Ayan, tuloy natin.
Tuloy ako partner. Nalito na ako.
Ayan, tuloy natin. She's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find so hard to go. I really miss that girl in my life. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you. I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, Pagod ako ah. Would you save me? My heart belongs to Ang kapangyarihan eh. Sada ko. Ayan. Palakpakan naman siya, no? Ang hirap kumanta.